Today, we are reviewing Rocket.new and looking at one of its most interesting promise, building an app from a single prompt using AI. If you have ever had an app idea but felt intimidated by coding, development costs, or technical complexity, tools like Rocket.new are trying to change that. The new generation of AI app builders is making software development much more accessible. Instead of writing code manually, users can describe what they want in a plain English, and the AI helps to generate a working application. This makes app creation much faster and opens new opportunities for entrepreneurs, creators, freelancers, and small business owners. But does Rocket.new actually deliver on that promise? Let's find out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on AI development tools because by using the description link, discounts that will be applied automatically. Now, let's talk about what Rocket.new actually does. Rocket.new is an AI-powered app builder that allows users to create applications by describing their ideas through prompt. Instead of starting with a blank screen, you simply tell the platform what type of app you want to build. For example, you might ask for the task management app or a booking platform, a customer portal, a fitness tracker, or a simple business dashboard. The AI then generates the initial structure of the application for you. This is one of the biggest attractions of Rocket.new because it dramatically reduces the amount of technical work required during the early stage of development. Another thing many users appreciate is speed. Traditionally, creating even a basic application could take days or weeks. With AI App Builder, you can often generate a prototype within just minutes. This allows entrepreneurs and business owners to test ideas much faster before investing significant resources. For beginners, this can be incredibly valuable because they can see their ideas take shape without learning programming languages first. Now, let's talk about the customization. Creating the first version of an app is only part of the process. Most of the users will want to make changes, add features, adjust the layout, and improve the functionality. Rocket.new allows the users to continue refining their applications through additional prompts and modification. Instead of rebuilding everything manually, you can tell the AI what changes you want and you can continue to improving the project. This conversational approach makes the development feel much more approachable for non-technical users. Another important area is business application. Many people are using AI app builders to create internal tools, client portals, booking systems, CRM style dashboards, inventory trackings, and productivity applications. For small businesses, this tool can save both time and money compared to traditional custom development. Now, let's talk about one important reality. While Rocket.new can generate apps very quickly, AI generated applications still require testing and review. Users should always check the functionality, workflows, forms, and user experience before launching any application publicly. AI can accelerate development, but it does not completely replace human decision and quality control. Another thing to consider is the complexity. Simple apps and prototypes usually work very well with AI builders. However, highly specialized enterprise systems that may still require additional customization and technical expertise. This is true for almost every AI app building platform available today. One feature that beginners often enjoy is the visual feedback. Instead of trying to imagine what an app will look like, you can immediately see the layouts, pages, and features being generated. This makes learning and experimentation much easier. So, who should use Rocket.new? The platform is especially useful for entrepreneurs, startup founders, creators, freelancers, consultants, and small business owners who want to turn ideas into working applications quickly. It is also a great option for people who want to validate the business ideas before spending large amounts of money on custom development. If you are an experienced developer, Rocket.new that can still be useful as a rapid prototyping tool that helps you to speed up the initial stages of development. Overall, Rocket.new represents the growing trend of AI powered software creation. It makes app development more accessible, faster, and less intimidating for beginners, while helping businesses move from idea to prototype much more quickly. That's it for today's video. Hope this review helped you to understand how Rocket.new works and whether it may be the right AI app builder for your next project. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.